Hello everyone. Now let's look at a clinical case. The nurse should have a skin test before injecting penicillin into the patient. The negative results show that there was no change in the cumulus and no swelling around. The positive results were local hillock protrusion with a diameter of more than 1 cm. Only negative results can be injected. Please think about the following questions. What are the basic tissues of the skin? How to stratify? Which layer of skin should the drug be injected into when doing skin test? With those questions, let's learn a new chapter, skin. Skin is the heaviest single organ of the body. It constitutes about 16% of body weight. Its total surface area is about 1.2 to 2.2 square meters. Skin is composed of the epidermis and the dermis. Skin appendages include hairs, sweat glands, sebaceous glands, and nails. This is a light micrograph of the skin. The upper part is epidermis, the lower part is dermis. The junction of dermis and epidermis is irregular. The projections of dermis are called dermal papillae. The invaginations of epidermis are called epidermal ridges. They interdigitate with each other. At the end of finger, they form fingerprint, which is the symbol of an individual. According to the thickness of the epidermis, the skin is classified into thick skin and thin skin. Functions of the skin include protection, sensory reception, excretion, and thermal regulation. Skin, by dense texture and toughness, protects the body from injuries of impact and frictions and from bacterial invasion. Skin is impermeable to water and salts, so it is very important in protecting the body from water and electrolyte loss as encountered in burn. Dermis is beneath the epidermis, composed of dense connective layer, which is generally 1 to 3 mm thick and firmly attached to basal surface of epidermis. Dermis is subdivided into 2 layers, papillary layer and reticular layer. Papillary layer is the part of dermis that fuses with the epidermis and is formed by numerous papillae or ridges, which increase the total contact surface area between dermis and epidermis. It contains fine collagenous fibers and more cells, rich blood capillary network, and no endings. Because it contains numerous mast cells, the drug is injected into this layer for skin sensitivity test. Reticular layer is dense connective tissue with coarse collagenous fibers and fewer cells. Elastic fibers with numerous collagenous fibers form dense network, contain blood vessels, lymphatic vessels, and no fibers. Skin appendages appear here, including sweat glands, sebaceous glands, and hair follicles. Hypodermis or subcutaneous tissue is a layer of loose connective tissue between skin and a deeper structure that may contain a pad of adipose cells. this class, we mainly learn epidermis and skin appendages.